Namaste, I am Priya. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make sugar arisa pitha. It is a very famous pitha in Odisha. After making it, you can keep it for 2 to 3 weeks and enjoy it. So let's start the recipe. For this recipe we need here I have 1.5 cup of basmati rice. I have already soaked the rice for about 5 hours. Now strain the rice. Let the water drain out. Now put it on a dry cheesecloth. Spread it. Let it remain like this for about 5 hours so that it will dry out a little, and then I will grind it. It's been about 5 hours. As you can see, the rice has been dried off a little. Now I will grind it. Put the rice in the mixture. Now cover it. Now grind it. Now put the rice flour in the big bowl. After grinding, the amount of rice flour has become 2 cups. As you can see, the rice flour is little rough. You should not make it powder. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar in it. Cardamom powder. Now mix all the ingredients properly like this. The sugar and rice flour has been mixed properly. Now put it in an airtight container. Press it properly like this. Now cover it. Now keep it for about 12 hours at room temperature. By this process, the sugar will be dissolved with the rice flour and we will make the dough out of it. See you after 12 hours. It's been about 12 hours. Now open it. Take it into a plate. You can see the sugar has been mixed properly with the rice flour. Now use a little water. Make small balls out of it. Press it. Like this. Keep it in a plate. Prepare all the pitha like this. Here I have 4 arisa pitha and these are ready to be fried. The oil is hot on medium heat. Now put the arisa one by one. Turn it to other side. And fry until it looks golden brown. It looks golden brown. Now take out into a plate. I have fried all the arisa pitha. As you can see, it remains little crispy. The sugar arisa pitha is ready. It looks yummy. Try it at your home and enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.